Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today I got a 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. I'm going to show you where the spare tire and jack location is. So we're going to go around the car and take a look. If this video helps you in some way, please subscribe and share with a friend. So first thing we're going to do is open the tailgate. Most tires are in the trunk, so in this one, today it's a little unusual sometimes to find it in the trunk, but it is in here. What we want to do is lift this trim panel up here. Okay, that comes out. So there's your jack and all your tools. We got a little back shade here in case you want to install it. We have a nice scraper that somebody put in there, but this is your jack assembly and tools. And the key for your tires, if you have it, that goes there. And if you open up this center panel here, it's actually another layer to this. I'm going to pull on that. Okay, we're going to take this side panel out. That's kind of hung up on there. Just pull on that, and then we're going to pull it up. Easier said than done. And if you look in there, there is your spare tire underneath. Alright. So, that's where the jack assembly is and the spare tire. So, if you need it, in the case of emergency, that's the location. And I hope this helped. And I'm assuming you know how to put a tire on. That's in another video completely. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. This is the 24 Toyota Highlander, multiple years. This is the newer style. Take care. Thank you for watching.